Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Verizon FiOS box step by step clearly. To reset your Verizon FiOS box, begin by locating the reset button. The reset button is usually on the back of the device. To reset the box without losing settings, you can perform a soft reset. First, unplug the power cord from the back of the box. Wait for about 15 seconds. Then, plug the power cord back into the box. Observe for the lights to indicate that the device is rebooting. If you need to perform a hard reset, locate the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button once the lights on the box start flashing. This process will restore factory settings, so be prepared to set up your box again. After the reset, wait for the box to reboot completely. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the lights are stable, you can reconnect your devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Verizon FiOS connection. If you encounter any issues, consult the user manual for additional guidelines. Your Verizon FiOS box should now be reset and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.